topic amongst established and budding entrepreneurs in the global financial market. And not without reason, it provides ample opportunities for earning good revenue. Wondering how? Let me tell you. By allowing the users to create token, trade, and participate in auctions and various events along with many other perks. The global non-fungible token market size was valued at $15.70 billion in the year 2021 and is expected to reach $97.6 billion by 2028, rising at a market growth of 31.6% CAGR during the forecast period. Undoubtedly, this amount is quite huge. And now, NFT marketplace applications benefit the users by offering them platforms through which they can buy and sell NFTs. But do you know the process through which an NFT marketplace platform helps the market owner to earn money? Hi guys, I'm Ananya and welcome back to our channel. So how can you make money by creating your own NFT marketplace is what I'm discussing in today's video. Since last year, the popularity of NFT had exploded. To give you a rough idea, $46 billion has been transacted for NFT in not less than 2 years. So coming on to the way in which an NFT marketplace works are: number 1, transaction fees. The primary method of NFT marketplace to generate revenue is charging transaction fees. The fees varies but are typically around 2 to 5% of the transaction. Some marketplaces charge a transaction fee from the seller and the buyer, but most only charge the buyer or deduct the fee directly from the listing price. Number 2 is the listing fee. Some of the NFT marketplaces which charge fees for listing, minting, selling, exchanging, and removing your NFT from a marketplace. These fees can be added on to the top of the gas fees that you will already have to pay. Number 3 is tokens. Some of the marketplaces like Rarible and Super Rare have their own cryptocurrency token. These tokens are primarily used for users who transact on the marketplace or hold NFTs. The founder of these marketplaces typically hold a large sum of tokens that can be sold anytime to generate additional revenue. And number 4 is NFT T-bonds. Another way in which NFT marketplace make money is by selling NFTs T-bonds. NFT T-bonds are sold to initial buyers for other currencies from cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and at a discounted price in relation to their face value. This is done to compensate the issue for a non-liquid nature of T-bond. Another way is through subscription fees. Once user pays these fees, get access to certain exclusive features of NFT platform. Some of these features are listing the most and profitable valuable tokens, availability of such multiple wallet address at once, the users can pool watch lists with historical returns, daily summary emails, the power to vote for new features, special membership status and official Discord channel. In the app customizable features, the key features of NFT successful marketplace like Opensea, Super Rarible are using these methods to make money through their platforms. If you too want to join the league to own your own NFT marketplace like Opensea, get in touch with us and let our developers handle the rest. We at CodeView Labs present NFT marketplace builders that can get your idea live in no time. Get in touch with us for one-on-one consultation with an expert on the same topic and book your free demo today. With this, we come to the end of this video. We will be back with more videos related to the IT sector. Till then, you take care and keep bringing new ideas.